Good afternoon all from Auckland, New Zealand. BlackBull Markets here, giving you a daily market update for the week ahead, 26th March 2018. Last week could have possibly seen the collapse of the free trade system. Asian markets feeling the bulk of the pressure, all closing lower last week. US stocks closed to this lowest level since 2016. And since the Monday open this morning, it hasn't seemed to stop. We've seen the Nikkei down about 0.5%, both Australia and New Zealand also down 0.2 and 0.5% respectively. Markets are staying with the bearish sentiment and keeping on that. A lot of investors taking their money out of the equity markets as a result of the geopolitical risks from the trade wars that are going on, and what bulk of the pressures are being felt again on the Asian markets. US is set to open later on this afternoon. European market is set to open in a few hours from now. It'll be interesting to see what happens as the day progresses. Staying on the data front, key events this week, we're looking at US and UK GDP readings for the last quarter of 2017. Remember, they're revised readings, so investors are keeping a close eye on those. Moving on to the FX landscape, the pound's holding higher again this morning, following positive negotiation talks with David Davis, calling out for a deal to come sooner rather than later. And on another front around the world with dollar yen, the yen again seen as a safe haven asset, with investment flowing out of equities into the yen as a result of this move lower in the markets into the dollar yen. And we're seeing a continued move now down to the downside, breaking key support levels at 104.63. Markets, a lot of anticipation onto the dollar yen heading towards 100, which is a clear route we haven't seen for a few years, but the acceleration of this move could see a short-term move to that price level, which is pretty psychologically significant for traders looking to trade this pair. Also, moving forward for that, if you're looking at this pair in particular, we're seeing key support levels around the 103.50 mark, heading down there. If I just zoom out on the chart, you'll be able to see that it's pretty clear downside all the way down to 100 here. Little support to hold up that asset. The chart is developing a pretty oversold technical outlook, and a break below the 104 level could see the 103 level coming so later on this week. If you're looking to sell the pullbacks to the upside, key resistance levels you should be looking at around 105.20 and 106 levels. But key pairs to watch this week: dollar yen, cable, as well as keeping your eyes on the US equity markets and the Asian markets closer to home. From us here at BlackBull Markets, you trade safer, and for any questions, please do contact your account manager.